Hi guys, welcome back to my craft room. We have gotten our July Spellbinders box. Let me pull it out here. Let's do a quick little unboxing. I didn't actually look at any reference photos or anything. I was just like, Damask DayDreams, yeah, that sounds like something cool. I was like, let's get it. So I just kept my subscription. Looks like we have lots of gold, which my fave. Ooh, those are really pretty. I really like the background on the hot air balloons and that color. Oops. Pretty. Okay. Let's start, I guess, right here. We'll wait to do the die cuts. Oh, very pretty florals. I bet those will be really good embossed. Oh, hello. Very pretty. I'm not sure about the really tiny sentiments. I feel like I probably won't be using those. That seems, these gems. Oh my gosh. Stunning. And I like how they have multiple sizes. Some butterflies. We got butterflies in one of the past boxes, but these are really pretty. Nice pastels with some gold. I feel like they're a nicer quality than the other ones. But of course, as soon as I start getting into them, we'll see actually. Some foam, I'm assuming. Ooh, no, chipboard. Chipboard, shiny, thickers. Gold glitter. I'm wondering if that's gonna come off. What the weird bunny? Okay. Strange. Oh, wow. Those are some really pretty colors. The hot air balloon's a little funky. That's a weird design. We've got our standard tape and foam squares. We've got our standard cards and envelopes. Let's take a look at these dies. Well, maybe. What the heck? There we go. Oh, cool. It's a corner floral. I like that a lot. I don't like when they send me little florals because I don't use them. Oh, cool. This coordinates with the stamp. Love it. That probably coordinates with one of the sentiments. Maybe hello? Yes. That is so strange. I don't know. I feel like that's a weird. And then some little florals. Okay. They have to always send in a little floral. That's like their their thing. I think it matches. Yeah. So maybe you could do one on top and pop it. That would be pretty. It's not small enough that I wouldn't, be opposed to it. But I like to not do the dies for my first video, like showing the project shares. So I know a lot of people don't have die cutting machines, so I'm like, we'll hold off on that. Unless there's like a specific card I have in mind. Okay, the paper pad. Now this is gonna make or break. Oh my gosh. Some rose, very ornate, almost fleur-de-lis. Ooh. I like green. That's interesting. Yep, there's an Eiffel Tower. I was waiting to see one. I figured there had to be one in this collection. It just seemed to go hand in hand. Oh, I like that. Oh my gosh. It just keeps getting prettier and prettier. Oh, the sunbursts. So much purple. Oh, that's a good one. The swans. I feel like that was really big, what, 2 years ago? But it was more along the lines of like pink swans. Gold stripe. Ooh, that's more of like a marbled. Cool. Oh, that is stunning. With the book, well, I guess it's not technically book page in the background. It's just some watered down text. You know, and then some other, that bird though, and the dragonflies, that's some really pretty paper. And then the hot air balloon. I don't know. It's like there's some really, whoa, like intricate papers in there, and then you get like the hot air balloon and you're like, maybe they should have made that a little bit bigger. It almost looks like wallpaper in a nursery. Interesting. Okay, and then some papers. We have green. Oh, that's nice. A great big smudge. Some white. Some, oh, that's a nice pink. Oh, and that green. Purple. I don't work with a lot of purples, so I'm kind of excited about this. Pinks, purples, and of course greens, so it's not very intimidating. If you add in some green, then I won't be as intimidated with the collection. Lots of purple in these die cuts. Lots. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the added blue. Oh, so pretty. Fabulous. Kind of an ombre watercolor. Keep chasing rainbows. That's cute. Oh, hello. That's pretty. I really hope they do a lot of florals. Oh, that is so pretty. So this just reminds me of like a very ornate like living room. I'm trying to think of, I think it's Kristen Chenoweth, I think that's her name. The one that does, well, she doesn't do it anymore, but she's really known for her Broadway. But she has this really like collective home. And one of her rooms, she has like so many just like odds and ends, and like, but they have a bunch of velvets and stuff, and this really reminds me of it. All these little odds and ends, but they're like so ornate. I like that. They're as good in every day. Oh, that's so pretty. The yellow. Oh my gosh. Oh, little dragonflies. I was kind of hoping to see a little bit more of the dragonflies since we We always have to have typewriters in these cut aparts. Typewriters, tickets, they have their standard fare for sure. Sparkle every day. I like the cameos. Oh, that's stunning. Fleur-de-lis, not quite. Very pretty. Tell me your story. And then it's an antique phone. Ah, oh no. We had phone for Story Cube Card Saturday. That would have been perfect for it. That was a long time ago though. You light up my life. Oh, I like that. I think I'm going to put that with a bell. Come on. A bell sticker from Beauty and the Beast. For some reason that is clicking. Love and laughter. Foliage. More foliage. More little, very little sentiments. Ooh, a postage stamp. This is reminding me of, I had a collection a long time ago. It was, I want to say it was authentique. I don't think it was though. I don't remember. Oh, no, it was Seven Gypsies. Oh, I haven't bought from them in a while. Are they even a company anymore? But it had a bunch of like botanicals and like specimens, and that reminds me a lot of it. A Precious Life. I'm gonna look up Seven Gypsies and see if they're still around, because I really enjoyed working with that. Bonjour. It was one of those that I hoarded for so long. I think I made a mini album with it once. Happy Go Lucky. That's cute. More tickets. Oh my gosh, so many tickets. What the heck? Tickets galore. Okay. Oh, a ton of sentiments. It's so amazing. You've got style. Reminds me of the You've Got Mail. You've got grace. Grace. Beauty, grace. Oh, I don't remember. From Miss Congeniality. It's your day to shine. This makes me happy. I'm not a huge fan of this couch. I think it'll look amazing on a card or a mini album, but for some reason it just looks so funny. I think it's just because it's not centered. Like some butterflies, not grounded. Some more florals. Oh, that's the other stamp. A bunch more of these little guys. Ooh, some blue dragonflies. This is so pretty. And then some hot air balloons. These are a nicer design. I like these better. Just a gold outline. That's not one to show up. It's so tiny. Beautiful. See, like I can picture just like a living room scene. Just like the Kristen Chenoweth's house. Oh, I like that. This reminds me of the Echo Park. No, is it Echo Park? There's a paper company that came out with a Mary Poppins line. Whoops. And it has a carousel horse. And I'm always so tempted to go and get it. Just because I love just the carousel theme in general. So I'm like, oh, that would be so cool. Write your own story. We all have stories to tell. I love that. I'm surprised there's not more books since, you know, the stories and stuff. This would be a good one to pair with some Disney or fairy tale things, I feel like. I might have to. I might have to bring in some stickers. Some Disney stickers. Of course, I'll try to make as many cards with just the kit, but I like to throw in some other things too. Oh my gosh, looking back over it, this is gonna be fun. This has a lot of spring vibes to it. Yeah, so I'm kind of interested that this is the July. I guess I wasn't sure what I was gonna expect. That's the thing. But there is the unboxing of Damask DayDream. Oh my gosh, it is really pretty. That is for sure. I can't wait to get into it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I opened our July Spellbinders card kit of the month up. Let me know what your favorite part of this was. I really couldn't say. I think they did a really good job coordinating everything. I think the stamp set's a little weird. I feel like they did a good job with it though, because it really kind of, you're going to be able to use this stamp set forever. But I kind of feel like they skirted by. I feel like they could have done a hot air balloon or a butterfly. They could have done more along the lines of the actual collection rather than just a floral. So, especially with how just ornate this kit is, the stamp set's a little bit like, we're gonna play it really safe. Which they're not known to play safe with their stamp sets, so it's a little strange. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a crazy day, good crazy, not bad crazy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!